Come on, Charlie. Let's get out there while I'm biting.
Be right with you, Pete. Soon as I kiss the little woman goodbye.
Yes, Mother. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, dear. See you later.
Bye, Charlie. Have a good time.
Oh, who was on the phone, dear?
That was Mother. She's coming over to help with the spring house cleaning.
I better get out of here.
Good morning, Charlie.
Oh, hello, Mommy-in-law.
Well, now, first we'll beat the carpet, shall we? Then we'll wash the windows. And then we'll mop the floor. After that, we'll move the piano.
I'll hide in the closet.
So, let's get started. Busy, busy, busy. Guess what, Bessie? Charlie has volunteered to help us. Oh, isn't that nice? Yes. Charlie, take the carpet out and beat it. Come on, Bessie. Let's take a coffee break.
Big deal. I never seen that.
Hey, Charlie, how long you gonna kiss the little woman?
Just a minute, Pete, while I beat this cotton picking.
No, don't beat it, Charlie. I can wait.
Might as well get some pleasure out of my work. A smoke screen. That gives me an idea. Start the motor, Pete. I'm choking to death. Let's go.
And where did you think you were going?
Well, I thought...
Back into the house, Charlie.
Oh, I never seen how to make a dog. A scooter. I wonder.
You certainly have a way with Charlie, Mother. Charlie needs a firm hand to guide him, Bessie.
Granny, can I go out with me scooter?
Why, yes, Junior. Have fun.
Thank you, Granny.
My, Junior looks more like his father every day. In fact...
Sometimes I'm so smart it frightens me.
Now, little man, put your wheels away. Next, you will move the piano downstairs.
I am going fishing. I will not move the piano.
Oh, yes, you will.
I will not. Oh, this is crazy. I gotta use my head.
Come on, Charlie.
Open the door, Pete. I'm zooming in.
Not so fast!
Open the door, Pete. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, Chief. Everything's all quiet on this end. Over and out. All right, you. Pull over to the curb. Gee, officer, what did I do? Man, you guys kill me. What did I do, he says. No license plates. No headlights. Say, what make is this anyway? A Steinway. One of them crazy foreign cars. Let's see your license. Oh, no. A fishing license. Say, what's going on here? Well, you see, officer, my mother-in-law... Oh, boy. You got a mother-in-law?
Charlie, you get off that piano and get on home.
What you mean, running away like that? You wait till I get my hands on you, you lazy, good-for-nothing so-and-so. Don't be ashamed of yourself, you big loafer.
Wyatt! Your mother-in-law? Go on home. You got troubles enough. As for you, dirty windshield, dust on the carpet, no water in the flower vase.
Tell me again what the cop said, Charlie.